Hey everybody, it's Mr. Cognetti here from Citizenship Academy, and we are going to be doing Module 4, Lesson number 7 today. We're going to be working a little bit more with money. I figured out a way to be able to put some money on our smart board, so we're going to try it out this way. I literally just figured out how to do this about 5 seconds ago, so I'm kind of excited. Today our objective is we're going to be comparing two different quantities or two different amounts and identify the greater or lesser amount. Greater means more or bigger. All right. If you have a greater amount of money than I do, you have more money than me. If I have a smaller amount of money, we can say I have the lesser amount. Less or lesser means small. Great or greater means a lot more. Okay. That's what we're going to be working on today. So I want to start with jump right into a word problem using money. Okay, so the word problem, I'm going to read it off. It says Benny has 4 dimes. Marcus has 4 pennies. Okay, these are our dimes. Here, I'll zoom in on the dime so you guys can see it. That is a dime. Okay, and this is worth 10 cents. Okay, now my sizing might be a little off. Dimes are smaller than pennies, but since I'm just messing around with them, they might look the same size just so we can keep an eye on it, okay? Dimes are worth more, but they're smaller. So these are 10 cents. I will even write that above. 10 cents each, by the way. A dime is 10 cents. That's how we write the symbol for cents. Pennies are 1 cent each. Okay? So Benny says we have the same amount of money. Is he correct? We need to use this drawing and our words to explain. Okay, so Benny thinks they have the same amount of money because they each have 4 coins. What do you think? Is he correct? Do they have the same amount? Ready for the answer? Maybe I don't want to give it to you yet. Let's think. Let's figure this out. If I said each dime is 10 cents, what would a number sentence look like for this? Here's 10 cents, so I'm going to write, I like it when it's bigger. So here's 10 cents, so I'm going to write 10 cents. Here's another 10 cents, so I'm going to add 10 cents there. Then I have another 10 cents, so I'm going to add 10 more cents. And then I have my fourth 10 cents. So this is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents. Let's count by tens to figure out what 4 groups of 10 is. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 40 cents in dimes. It's the cent symbol is a little C with a line through it, okay? So we have 40 cents in dimes. We need to see if we have the same amount with pennies. Pennies, again, are 1 cent each. So here's 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, and 1 cent. So it's like 1 plus, I'm going to cross it out because I used it. I didn't do that over there, but another 1 plus another 1 cent plus another 1 cent. So I have 4 1-cent pennies. Now already right off the bat, we should be able to tell that our number sentences are not the same. So I don't know if they're going to have the same amount of money. What's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? Let's break it down. What's 1 plus 1? 2. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 1. What's 2 plus 1? 3. So if we do that, it's 3. Then we still have this plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So he's got 4 cents over here. We have 40 cents over here. So do they have the same amount? No, they do not. This person with the 4 dimes has more money than the person with 4 pennies. All right. We would say, we were talking about greater and less than. We would say, if this is Benny, we'd say Benny had the greater total value. His total value or answer or total amount, value is the term we use for money, is 40 cents. And that is more than 4 cents because we all know 40 is bigger than 4. Okay? Okay, so if we said 40 is greater than 4, what would we say about 4 compared to 40? 40 is greater than 4, and 4 is less than or lesser than 40 because it's the smaller amount. So those terms we're going to practice using. Okay? Alrighty, we are going to use our 10-stick drawings to show what is greater between two numbers, okay? So I'm actually going to get rid of my coins. That's something I got to figure out how to do. I think I just hit delete. There we go. Nice and simple. Boom, boom, boom. Cool. All right. We got a clean board. Make sure you have a clean board, okay? So we're going to be using now our 10-stick drawings, all right? Really quickly, remember, this is how we draw a 10. With a stick. And then when we're drawing ones, we go back to our normal 10 frame. Capiche? All right, let's keep going. We're going to use 10s to find the greater amount. So the first one I want you to show me is 5. Draw out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the number 5. The next number I want you to draw out is 12, okay? Look at me and how I draw mine. I know the number 12 has, I'll make this a 1, has 1 10 and 2 1s. Okay, remember this is a 10 stick, that doesn't say 100 up there. So we have 1 10 and 2 1s. And then 5 circles over here. So which number is greater, or which one is bigger? Give it a second. Think about which one is bigger. All right. Which one do we think is bigger? This one has 5 drawings, and this one only has 3 drawings. So maybe that's bigger? No, remember, that is a 10, not just a 1. So that means there's 10 right there, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 right there. So 12 is the bigger number because we see a 10 here and I don't even see a 10 stick over there. So this one's got to be bigger. Okay, let's try another one. Now I'm not even going to give you the number, I'm just going to give you the drawing. And I said bigger, but I should be saying greater. 12 is greater than 5. 5 is lesser than 12. Okay? Here's your next picture. That or... All right, which one is bigger? What number do each of these pictures show? And which one is the greater value? Sorry, I got to keep remembering to say greater. Take a couple seconds. Try and figure out what these numbers are and which one's bigger. Okay, just to keep this video length down, if you guys need more time, which you probably do, please pause the video, okay? And then hit play whenever you're ready. Take as much time as you need. Let's look at this one here. Or let's look at both. First off, if one has a 10 stick and the other doesn't, we know that one's bigger. But they both have a 10 stick. So they both are 2-digit numbers. And they both have one group of 10. So we are going to put a 1 in the 10 space for each one. Now we got to figure out who has more 1s. I'm eyeballing it. It looks like this one does over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 here. So I have 17 and 15. So if the 10's place value is the same, then we look at the 1's place value. So the 10's the same, so we're going to look at the 1's place. Which one has the bigger 1's place value? Excuse me. 17. 17 has the bigger 1's place value. 7 is greater than 5, so that means 17 is greater than 15. Okay, let's try another one. And then if we were to say 17 is greater than 15, we would say 15 is lesser than 17. Okay, lesser than 17. Alrighty, let's see. We'll try one more problem. Here we go. Let's see. Oops. I'm going to do... I don't want red right now. I want black. There we go. And there's the other one. All right, there are your two numbers. Which one is greater? Well, first off, what are the two numbers? Second, which is greater and which is lesser? Take a couple seconds. Okie dokie. If you need more time, please don't hesitate to pause the video. Not a problem. Press play when you're ready. Here we go. Let's figure out what this number is. We have how many tens? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so is this number 3? That one's 3? Is it? Nope. It's not 3 because those aren't 3 ones. These are ones. Those are 3 tens. So we need to count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30. It's like 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10, 20, 30. So we have 30 over here. And then what do we got over here? We got 10. 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Or 10, 11, 12, 13. So over here we have 13. Which number is bigger? Well, let's look at the tens place. If those are different, then we should know which one's bigger. We have a 3 and a 1. Which group has more tens? This one does. It's got 2 more tens than this, so that must mean that 30 is greater than 13, and 13 is lesser than 30. This is the bigger number. Okay? You guys, for homework, will have to look at pictures like that, say what each number is, and which one is greater and which one is lesser. So you'll have to complete the statement. Okay? Great job today, guys. Good job working with place value. You might not have known it, but we were focusing on our place values here. And great job with the our quick 10 drawings. And good job working with the dimes and pennies right in the beginning for our warm-up. Okay, we'll do more of that now that I can do that. We'll do more of that another time. Sweet. Good job. Good luck on your homework. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.